Welcome to our channel Math Enthusiast. Today I am going to deal with yet another geometrical concept. So here ABCD is a rhombus and we need to find the height of the rhombus. Given values are AC is equal to 6 cm and BD is equal to 8 cm. AC and BD are the diagonals of the rhombus. And we all know that rhombus is a parallelogram in which all the four sides are equal and the diagonals bisect at 90 degree. Meaning, if they bisect at O, the value of OA will be equal to OC and the value of OB will be equal to OD. So we need to find the height, that is the distance between the two parallel sides of this rhombus. So how do we go about that? For this I am going to find the area of the rhombus ABCD. Okay. So that will be equal to half into D1 into D2. This is a formula we learned. But how do we arrive at this formula? That is, we can rewrite this as this area will be equal to sum of the areas of these four triangles. And we know that the area of the triangle is half into base into height. So when we see all the four triangles, they have the same base and the height. So we can rewrite this as 4 times half into base is OA into OB. Right? This in turn can be written as OA is half the value of AC and OB is half the value of BD. So when we solve this, we get half into AC into BD, and that is the product of the diagonals. So we already know the values of AC and BD, 6 into 8, so that is equal to 24 centimeters square. Okay. This is one way of finding the area. There is another way of finding out the area. How? This is a parallelogram. I have already said ABCD is also a parallelogram. And we know that the area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height. Let us assume the base to be S. We already have found out the area, that is 24 is equal to base is S and we need to find the height. That is the question. So we are keeping it as H. So how do we find the side? We have already dealt with the Pythagoras theorem in our previous video. So this is a right angle triangle and this is the hypotenuse. So S square will be equal to 3 square plus 4 square according to Pythagoras theorem. So S square will be equal to 9 plus 16. So S will be equal to square root of the sum, that is equal to 5. So substituting this value here, we get 24 is equal to 5 into H. So H will be equal to 24 divided by 5. And that is the answer. So this is a very easy way of understanding the concept. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe for more interesting videos in the future. Thank you.